Hi, my name is Phil, and I want to show you Yamaha's RXV471. Now this receiver is has everything you need for high-def video. It's HDMI 1.4 with it's compatible with 3D, high definition, and it has a thing called audio return, the ARC or audio return channel. But one of the things that Yamaha does to give you a spin to make these products more friendly when you use it at home. We don't want you to adjust your lifestyle to match the needs of these products. We want the products to match your lifestyle. One of the things that Yamaha engineers have done is they have added a high definition graphic user interface. Now this interface right here, depending on what you select, overlays on high def video. So anytime you need to get in here and do any adjustments, it'll overlay and you can still see what's on the programming. Maybe during a commercial you want to do some adjustments before that comes back. You want to be able to see that it's still in commercial. So we have this. It overlays on high def. It overlays on 3D, which is a unique feature too, which will become more and more prevalent as more 3D content becomes available. One of the features that's unique, I get this asked to me all the time, do I have to turn on the whole surround receiver just to watch the news late at night? Well, yeah, we kind of want you to, but you don't necessarily have to. Yamaha has a feature called HDMI standby pass-through. So if kids are late at night and you just want to pick up the sports scores or something like that, when the receiver is off, it will pass through the HDMI signal up to the monitor. And Yamaha takes it even a step further and allows you to do switching. We can switch between the 4 HDMI inputs when the receiver is in standby. The sound will come through the TV speakers, so the subwoofers won't be going. If I want to listen in surround sound, all I do is turn the receiver on. The receiver will pick off the audio track on the HDMI signal or on the HDMI cable and decode it for me. So HDMI standby pass-through, high-def GUI overlay. A lot of technology in these receivers. So Yamaha engineers spend a lot of time, a lot of resources trying to make these easy to use. So if everyone in the home can use the product, more people will use it and the products will be more readily enjoyed by the whole family. On the front panel of all the Yamaha receivers, you'll see 4 buttons. These are what's called the SCENE buttons. These 4 buttons in the center of the remote control, you can clearly see it, they're white. You just pick up this button, and what these do, they automatically switch everything that you need to do. So if I want to watch TV, I hit scene number 1, turns on the receiver, switches to the TV input, gives me the proper surround mode, and it also, if I set up the volume right, it'll give me a preset volume level. So every time I hit that button, it'll come up to the proper level. So anyone in the home can hit any one of those buttons when they want to watch TV in surround sound. It comes up HDMI or the scene function. These receivers have some high performance processing in them. The amplifiers are high performance, the video processing and the signal processing is all high performance. The only way you can get the maximum performance in your home theater is if you have these calibrated properly. These are very sensitive processors and they need to be calibrated properly. Yamaha has a feature called YPAO, Yamaha Parametric Acoustic Optimizer. Sounds like a lot, but it's really simple the way it works. This microphone, plug into the front of the receiver. It turns on my graphic interface and it says press the setup menu to start. So I just hit enter and it goes in and it calibrates my system. It takes about 2 minutes. It sends out test tones and pings and pops and calibrates all your speakers for your exact room environment. There's one last feature I want to show you. You'll notice on the front panel there's a USB input right here. What that is for, primarily it's for your iPod, but we can use other USB music devices. Simply connect the cable that you already have. It gives you a digital audio connection down to the receiver, so it's the best possible sound quality for playing music back from your iPhone or iPod. It also allows you to use the on-screen display to go through the album. You get album art, you get playlists and genres, and so you can select all your music from the remote control with the iPod and charge it at no extra charge. So just to kind of go over everything, high def audio, high def video, HDMI 1.4 with 3D. It has that high def GUI overlay, so that graphic user interface, you can control it while the high def video is in the background. It has the audio return channel that allows that signal to come through. HDMI standby pass-through. The scene function, those 4 buttons on the front, the YPAO system, the microphone calibration system, and it has the convenience of more sources with the USB jack on the front panel. The RXV471 High def audio, high def video, great surround sound.